And I remember one day one lady came and she was going on complaining about husband in front of the husband. And I felt so bad. And this husband is keeping quiet and listening to everything. And she is going on bursting out, and he's like this, he cheated me, he did this, he did that, and she's going on saying all these things. Then I spoke to her privately and said, sister, what are you doing? You are just going on accusing your husband without any reason. And then, some time back, he was unfaithful to her. That's the only reason she's shouting at him. And then I said, you see, some years ago he made a mistake and he repented and he came back. He promised to you that he will never do it again. And even his mobile is under her custody. And still she is going on accusing him. I asked her, why do you do that? And then she said, Father, I know he's good now. He was very bad earlier, but now he's very good. But by saying this, I'm reminding him not to go back again. And reminding him each day, each time, and I'm saying this, every time I'm reminding him that don't ever dare to go back into the sinful life. Then I told her, yes, he did a mistake, but don't carry his mistake. He confessed his sin and got rid of the sins. But you are carrying his sin always on your shoulder and bringing it and reminding him every time. It is dangerous. Even if your relationship is made of iron bar. Suppose your husband-wife relationship is so strong, like connected with an iron bar. But if you go on hitting on it every day, hitting, morning 3 times hitting, afternoon 3 times hitting, evening 3 times hitting, within no time, this iron bar will break. And then don't cry and come for retreat. So stop beating into this iron bar. Let this iron bar be strong. Many husbands and wives, they have a tendency to bring their past, all the past incidents that happened before their marriage. Maybe on the first day, out of his love and openness, husband shared some of his ex-girlfriend's names by mistake. And then what happened? Now they are more than 90 years old and still she is accusing him of this name. And these kind of tendencies. Therefore, my dear brothers and sisters, every time accusing, hitting on the iron bar, it will break the iron bar. It will break the relationship. You will never come to know. Once it is broken, it is very hard to rejoin. Therefore, do not hurt your husband. Do not hurt your wife. Do not hurt the person who loves you and whom you love. Make sure, take all the hurt for that person. He will never depart from you. If you take all the hurt, he will never depart from you. If you take all the hurt, she will never depart from you. We need this. Therefore, don't get angry and shout at your life partner every time. Make sure that anger is expressed only in the extreme case when there is no other option is left, and even that in a controlled way. Of course, anger can be expressed. Sometimes we are permitted to express anger in a controlled, in a compassionate, loving way.